Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing this setup on the ring for a baby shower. Something simple that I end up doing, nothing too much. I was kind of running out of ideas for the ring, so I just did something that just went straight across. One thing about these, this design in particular, it was definitely an illusion thing. I think the side of it was more pretty than the front of the um front of the design, if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm sure it does. Anyway, so I am building on using the cluster and quad method. If you guys watch my previous videos, I've been talking about how I've been adding on a quad to the cluster already. So this is pretty much what I was talking about. The colors I use will be listed in the description box, but let me go over them really quickly for you guys. The darker pink is actually a Wildberry inside rose gold, and that's metallic rose gold by Qualatex. The Wildberry is by Kalisan. The pink color is pink inside Cameo by Tuftex. The new color is chocolate inside blush, my absolutely favorite combo by Qualatex. Both brands is by Qualatex. I don't use blush by Tuftex because that's more of a peachy color. And blush by Kalisan, I don't know, sometimes it just have too many imperfections, and I don't like when I can see the chocolate coming through the blush. So the combination with Qualatex chocolate and blush is my favorite. The last color, surely not the least because it's so pretty, is the pearl color, which is white sand inside satin pearl, and that satin pearl is from Sempertex. So right now this is the design so far. I actually like this shape. This shape is pretty. I had inflated, I don't even know how many balloons I inflated, you guys. It was definitely over 100. And I just made sure to fill up 2 bags. I think I didn't have to inflate anything else, but I wanted to make sure I used all the balloons I had, so that's how we end up getting a fuller look. And I'm just going in and adding in quads to continue to blend out those colors together. If I add a quad, I'm making sure I attach it to 2 points, so directly to where I want to attach it, and maybe top or bottom to another cluster or quad, just so it's pulling in 2 directions. And I was just adding in extras, trying to get the look that I wanted. Or I don't know the look I wanted because I didn't know what look I wanted. I was just adding, making sure, I don't know, to fill it out a little bit more and trying to get rid of the colors that I had. So I'm adding in some extra back there. And I think what I had left was a lot of quads, so I'm just adding in, making sure I like it. This is not too bad. I'm not really feeling that curved part at the top. I don't know. Yeah, but this wasn't too bad. So there we go. I'm adding in the 5-inch balloons. The 5-inch balloons are sized down to about 3 or 3.5 inches. And the frame is a frame that I got from Amazon. This is the 6.5 inch, I believe. I'm going to try to link it in the description box as well. And I think this was it. I did have some helium balloons. I don't think I recorded me setting them up. They was 24 inch in each size. I just had some left over. Well, not leftover. I've been trying to, it's the end of the year, so I'm trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. I'm not someone that just buy balloons. This year I didn't buy any new color unless I absolutely need it for a client. If I did not need it for a client, I did not buy it. I wasn't tempted to buy it. It was pretty. It was nice. I looked at it from my screen and that was it. I was not buying anything extra unless it was for a client. I really wanted to maximize my profit. And yeah, that was that. So I was just trying to get rid of some inventory. That's why I did some helium balloons at the end. And this is how everything came out. I like the design more so from the side. But again, you guys, that's me. If you went on my Instagram, you'll see what I mean. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.